Here are 5 ways you can make money using ChatGPT. And now it's not too late to start because it is still new. Take advantage of it before it's too late. So the first way you can make money using ChatGPT is freelance writing or blog post writing. I'm not telling you to write a PhD thesis. You might be very good at cooking, good in Spanish, good in coding. There are people who need your service, who need your expertise. So during your weekends when you're not working full-time or studying full-time, search for writing jobs that are asking for the topic that you're super good at. And then once you have found the job, go on to ChatGPT, write in your command, and then ChatGPT is going to generate an outline or even a whole article for you. But here's the thing, if everybody is writing using ChatGPT, don't you think that you will be made obsolete because you're the same as everybody else? Let's say you want to be a pilot.
Yeah, he's a pilot, great!
You have autopilot, right? Whenever you fly a plane. But do you still need to be there? Yep, you still need to be there because you still need human intervention. Hence, when ChatGPT generates a very beautiful article for you, which other people can also do, you gotta edit it to suit your own writing style. Edit a little bit. And also, if you cannot find any ideas for your article or for your blog, you can use ChatGPT to generate ideas for you. So use ChatGPT as an assistant, not some get-rich-quick AI bot that is your servant. Second way you can make money using ChatGPT, use it to help you get a better, higher paying job. And how do you do that? Your resume, your CV. Is there room for improvement? For sure there is. Tell ChatGPT to edit, polish it for you, update it for you. And if you don't like any of the things that ChatGPT gives you, then you can again do your own little bit of adjustments to make sure that it suits you as a person. That's what makes you different. You can also use ChatGPT to help you find higher paying jobs. Like if your job sucks shit, right? Use ChatGPT to find a job that sucks shit less. Does that make sense? Doesn't make sense. Third thing you could do is to write an eBook. Sadly, when I wrote my book, there was no ChatGPT. I didn't know that such things exist, so I wrote the whole entire book myself. But nowadays, you can write the content page using ChatGPT, and also it can write a whole entire paragraph or chapter for you. If you don't like what ChatGPT wrote for you, then you can tell it to make it funnier, make it more interesting, make it less boring. And then ChatGPT is going to give you a new response. But Karen, I don't know what to write about. No matter what you do in life, there's going to be something that you're better at as compared to somebody who has zero knowledge in it. Even something as simple as how to learn English, you know what I'm saying? There are tons of people who are looking to learn how to learn basics of English. Even something as simple as how to read fast. There are people who want to buy that kind of books. You can meditate for 30 minutes. There are a lot of people, including me, okay, who cannot sit still for 10 minutes and meditate. Write a book about meditation using ChatGPT to give you ideas. Again, make sure you edit the book so that it suits your own personal taste and you agree with what is written, because I don't want you to be another copy-paste from ChatGPT author just so that you can make some quick money. Okay? You still gotta put in the hard work. Fourth way you can make money with ChatGPT, you can use it to develop very simple web tools. So my brother is a software engineer, he knows coding, but then he gotta write the code manually himself. But now what you can do is that you can tell ChatGPT to write the coding for you, but the problem is you need to know a little bit of coding so that you can understand which part is wrong, which part is not right. But it still saves you a lot of time as compared to typing every single word by yourself. Let's say if you need a calculator for your website, okay? Then you can just tell ChatGPT to create the code for you. But if you don't have a website, then again you can offer this service to other people, and then ChatGPT is going to do half the work for you. Point number 5, okay, if you're a trader, you can use ChatGPT to develop an EA. Again, you can go into ChatGPT to code any technical indicator or strategy you want, and make sure you put in a trading platform, and it's going to write a very near perfect code for you. Like I said, you need to understand coding, because right now ChatGPT is still not perfect. And once you've so-called generated your code for your EA, like I said just now, you still gotta put in the word, you gotta backtest it on a demo account to make sure that it is profitable. And here's one more thing, okay? This is gonna save you so much time. You know how we used to read financial articles word by word? Let me give you one trick, okay? Tell ChatGPT to summarize the freaking long article for you, and it's gonna give you all the important stuff in bullet points, and it's gonna save you so much time. I wish I knew this earlier, but it's never too late. But what you cannot do with ChatGPT with trading is, can you tell me whether I should buy euro dollar today? Because this is what you're going to get. ChatGPT is an assistant, not your crystal ball, not your trading mentor. Okay, maybe it is, but then it's a trading mentor that doesn't give you signals. Yep. But when it comes to robot trading or EA trading, there are pros and cons, and I have certain opinion about it, so you can check it out here. So with that, talk to you in the next video. Bye.